What's good, y'all? We just landed in LA and we're about to go get a little practice done with the Chenda boys inside. We're heading out to Palm Springs. I haven't practiced at all since I got here, so pray for me.
Run it down, the sign is up. So run it down, get your money up.
Alright, so let's try this out.
It didn't really sink in until we're suddenly right here. It's a little surreal.
Right now, it sounds amazing, but it sounds like you're getting right into the thick of it. But you gotta like build into it, because it's the first thing that they hear and you're drawing them in.
Humankiind's doing big things for the culture. Hearing Run It Up was just insane because it features a drum called Chenda, drums that we play. We're making history because we are the very first American Malayali South Indians performing at Coachella, like ever.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yeah, it sounded great.
We made it. We out here. We got this far. We're in Coachella right now, and it's kind of surreal. Music has been a part of my life because it's something that wherever you are, wherever you travel, whatever you do, it's around you, it surrounds you. It's part of the culture of the place, the language of the land. Like, it's cool. On show days, I try and train a little bit, do a little breath work, call some people, just being like, hey, I'm about to do this. I'd appreciate it if you thought of me.
I'll see you real soon, brother. Come on.
Who would have thought a couple of folks from south side of India are just making music and playing at Coachella? I'm proud of everybody that's here and like how we got here. I think that I'm here because I was lucky enough to have some things unfold for me because of decisions that I made and the turbulence of life. Like it's kind of crazy.
It's time.
Run it down, the sign is up. So run it down, get your money up.
The younger me just needed to know that he's worthy. The battle inside, right? Whether or not you can do certain things or that you are capable. At the end of it, we're all human, right? And we're trying to put the mankind in honey mankind. All right, y'all, let's get it. Thanks for on the way. Peace.